Hi guys, so we just got what is possibly the most detailed leaks about the S22 series. It covers the specs and features of all variants of the S22 series and compares it to its predecessors, the S21 series. We also have the codename of all three variants of the S22 series. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So we're just about 2 weeks away from Samsung's Unpacked event in February, where they're gonna launch the S22 series. And if you've been following my videos, you should know quite a lot about the S22 series, especially the S22 Ultra. We've seen official trailers from Samsung teasing the S22 Ultra's design and S Pen integration. We've also seen teasers for the cameras and how Samsung is going to improve its low light photography by giving us, in their words, game-changing nightography. The entire S22 lineup is really exciting, especially the S22 Ultra. Now, thanks to a Korean leakster, we know the codenames of all three variants of the S22 series. First of all, the codename for the S22 series is Rainbow, and each variant in the series has its own codename. So the S22 is Row, the S22 Plus is Go, and the S22 Ultra is Bow. I have no idea what those means, so please don't ask. Anyway, we all know the star of the show is gonna be the S22 Ultra. The Ultra will inherit the Note's legacy with a boxy design and an integrated S Pen. Now, bear in mind, these leaks are from Samsung's internal documents, and it says the S22 Ultra is gonna be the toughest Galaxy yet. And we know this because the S22 Ultra is gonna use the new Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, and will also use a new aluminum armor for the frame, which is said to be 10% stronger than the aluminum frame on the S21 Ultra. The document also confirms the supernatural writing experience that was rumored to come with the S22 Ultra's S Pen, which is 3 times faster than the S Pen on the S21 Ultra and Note 20 Ultra. And it looks like Samsung is gonna make all the S Pens for the S22 Ultra in the color black, regardless of the color of the device. Now, we know there's gonna be an Exynos and a Snapdragon variant for the S22 series, but Samsung has been surprisingly tight-lipped about the performance of the Exynos 2200. Even in their internal document, there is no mention of its performance increase over the Exynos 2100. They only mentioned its sustained performance and low power consumption, which we already knew to be true because Samsung is using a superior 4nm process than it used on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. So it kinda seems like Samsung is embarrassed with the performance of the Exynos 2200 and are proud with what they've accomplished with the power consumption and sustained performance. But that's just my theory. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more S22 updates. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.